Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Bluetooth device is failing to pair with your REALME GT8 Pro smartphone. First thing we can do is simply toggle the Bluetooth off and then turn it on again, and then trying to reconnect, and then try to reconnect your Bluetooth device. And if this won't help you, you can also additionally toggle on the airplane mode for a while and then turn it off, re-enable your Bluetooth, and then try finding your Bluetooth device in here. Make sure that your Bluetooth device is charged and it is in a pairing mode right now. And if you're still not able to pair your Bluetooth device, then what you can do is go to settings, then open the apps section, then go to app management. Here tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner, select show system and find Bluetooth, then tap on it and then go to storage use and select clear cache. And after that, try reopening your Bluetooth menu, then find your Bluetooth device, tap on it, let it pair with your smartphone, and right now the issue should be resolved. However, if it's not, and if you are paired with your device and want to connect with it but you can't, then what you can do is select this device right here and then tap on pair, and then let your Bluetooth refresh and reconnect to this Bluetooth device. But if you still can't do that, then as a last resort we can go to System and Update Settings, select Backup and Reset, then Reset Phone, and then Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. After that, you're gonna have to confirm your identity and tap Reset. However, this will also affect your Wi-Fi connection, so you're gonna have to reconnect to all the Wi-Fi networks that you've been connected to previously. And right now let's re-enable the Bluetooth, tap on the device you want to pair with, tap pair, and the Bluetooth device should be successfully paired. If not, then most probably that's the issue of the Bluetooth device you're trying to pair with. Try to pair it with another device around you that has Bluetooth connection available, and see if your Bluetooth device doesn't have any issues within. But generally this should resolve your issue. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.